Oh no. The door, it won't open. This isn't good. Wait, if the door won't open, some ponies must be in there. Applejack, Apple Fritter, my cuz. Apple Bloom! Apple Bloom! Help! Help, cuz! It's Applejack. I need your help. We're overflowing with sand, and we can't get out. I think your cousin Apple Fritter's dead. This ain't good. Really ain't.
Wanna walk down?
We're done for. No! You ain't! Applejack! 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 Where could you be? Applejack? Applejack! You've got to find Apple Fritter. Okay, Apple Fritter? Apple Fritter! Apple Fritter? Ugh! Your pony's alright? Of course I am. Yep, we're perfectly fine. Just let me know something. Why is this house flooded with sand? Why would I know? Because it said on the news that photo finish saved you from a horrible disaster. No, and it caused sand. Listen, I didn't do any of this. Can't you believe me, Applejack? I mean, you never do, but at least you could try for once. I can't believe Applejack. She never trusts me in anything. Not even being me.